Hey, it's all gorgeous and it's all Houston high-rise apartments. This is so beautiful. This is on the 22nd floor of the Med Center, Latitude Med Center in Houston, Texas. And this is the kitchen you can be looking forward to. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at these details. Just beautiful. Got some lovely flooring that's beautiful here too. But the kitchen has so much space, so many cabinets. Beautiful sink, even with that gooseneck faucet there. Oh gosh, and then you've got this great island with a wine fridge. Wow, but it doesn't stop there. Then there's more. There's this beautiful, huge area. This is very, very large. You can put a lot of furniture in here. And then you've got floor to ceiling windows with this balcony. Hey, life doesn't get better than this with Houston high rise living in the Med Center. So send me a text and say, Grant, I want to check out the Latitude Med Center. I'd like to check out the pricing availability, what will work with my move-in date, and I want you to do it. Hey, I'm your guy. I'm going to take care of you. That's my personal cell number. I will take care of your needs. I'll make sure that you get the best pricing, the best availability. And by the way, if you want to compare options between the Latitude Med Center and other choices, we can do that too. Not a problem. It's 100% free service to do that. So send me a text on the number below. Also, you can go to uptown101.com, uptown101.com/search, and you can fill out a search request there too if you prefer to do it that way. Hey, we've got another couple of videos coming up, and these are going to be detailed walkthroughs. So if you like what you've seen so far, watch the next two videos because we're going to walk through this in detail.